Award Keylogger Pro is the highest rated remote installed keylogger available and features 4 and 5-star ratings from CNET and other reputable online publications. It's also one of the few programs that can be installed remotely without you ever needing to access the PC where it was installed. Regardless of whether or not the program is installed locally or on a remote PC, the best remote keylogger runs completely invisibly and cannot be detected by any antivirus or Trojan software. Our remote keylogger has many options, but you're not required to change any of the settings, as by default it runs in complete stealth mode. What you will want to set up is the email delivery system, because you'll be receiving reports from the computer invisibly and remotely. Go ahead and click email delivery and input the email address you would like the report sent from, as well as the email address you'd like the report sent to. By default, the software is set up for Gmail. So if you're not familiar with SMTP protocols, just use a Gmail address. Additionally, in each of the software options, there is a link that will provide you with all the information about that particular option, as well as samples, so you'll never need to worry about what the next step is. As a sample, I've installed the remote keylogger and run it on myself. I'm now going to enter some questionable search terms and participate in some conversations on Skype as well as Facebook. What makes this keylogger better than the rest is simple. It's going to record both sides of the conversation, not just the messages I sent, but also how the other person responded to me. This works equally well on all social networks, Skype, and email, while other keyloggers only record what was typed directly into the computer. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the email account where we told the remote keylogger to invisibly send our reports to. Let's click one and see what it says. Naturally, the keylogger only reports on active behavior, so if a PC is inactive overnight, for example, you won't wake up to a bunch of reports filled with nothing. There are also several types of reports to choose from. In this case, we're looking at screenshot reports, which we can play back as a movie if we so choose, and this is really useful for monitoring chat and social networking conversations. We can also see how the other people responded to us in this particular instance, and in what site those keystrokes were typed, which is very important for capturing passwords. Once again, Award Keylogger is supported by 5-star reviews on most major reputable online publications, featuring remote installation, invisible email reporting, social network, chat, and email conversation logging. Additionally, it's compatible with those Windows 7, Windows 8, and the Mac. So try it for yourself today, folks, and thanks again for watching. You can test it at the link below.